So a very good afternoon to all the aspirants. Okay, I hope all of you are doing well, staying motivated and preparing well for your upcoming exams, right? So today is the first class of Quantitative Aptitude, which is brought by Adda 24/7 Northeast to you, right? So as is the first class, so we have taken a simple topic. Okay, before going to the topic, let us start our class with this beautiful quote which is given, that is, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today, right? So this quote is as simple and elegant as it is, right? I don't have to explain it, I guess. I hope you can understand what it means, right? So if you study well now, right, I'm sure you'll be able to crack a government job and then you can prosper your future, right? Okay, coming back to the Adda 24/7 app. So this is the app where you'll get premium study materials, right? Current affairs, job alerts, right? Daily quizzes, subject-wise quizzes, magazines, right? Power capsule, notes, articles, and videos, everything for free. Okay, and in current affairs, you'll get the in PDF format, right? It comes daily, weekly, monthly, right? 3 months compiled also you can get. Okay, so download the app now. Okay, and at the top section you can choose Adda 24/7 Northeast, and there you'll get all the updates, right? Okay, so subscribe to the channel now, Northeast Adda 24/7, and kindly press the bell button so that you'll get the notifications when the classes are coming up, right? Okay, so now the topic which we have chose today is maths simplification. Okay, so simplification topic is an easy topic, okay, so to say, because this is a very basic topic which generally test your algebraic operators level. Okay, so there are operators which we use in maths, right? So operators such as subtraction, right? Subtraction, right? Addition, right? Multiplication, division, right? And so on. So these are the operators which we generally use in mathematics. So generally simplification tests your knowledge about these simple operators. Okay, if you actually know how and when to operate the particular questions which are given to you with this combination of operators. ঠিক আছে, so এই session to আমাৰ অসমীয়া আৰু ইংলিছত চলিব, ঠিক আছে? So any doubt that you have, you can ask me, okay, and I'll explain it to you. Okay, so for the concept point of view, see there are few things which you must know. Okay, so certain rules are there in maths which you must be aware of. So the first rule as such will be the BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule, right? Acha, BODMAS you know, but in some cases you will find this also, V BODMAS rule. So what is V? So V is vernaculum. Okay, vernaculum, that means line bracket. Okay, line bracket. Okay, so vernaculum, it is called vernaculum. Okay, V. So but okay, this we will understand it. So B stands for bracket. Okay, let me give a brief. Okay, I know you know. O is for off, which means multiplication, but if off comes in front of multiplication, we will do this part first, right? Then D is your division, M is your multiplication, right? A is your addition, and S is your subtraction. Okay, okay, good afternoon to all, right? Okay, so this is the very basic rule which we have learned maybe in class 4 and 5, right? But see, this SSC, they are testing this level of yours as well, right? So you must be careful while solving the questions. Okay, so now for the tricks, okay, what we will do, the tricks, okay, I'll be giving you tricks, but those tricks I'll give you when we solve the question, and suddenly I encounter something where I see that a trick can be applicable in that question, I will give you the trick, right? Okay, so multiplication, addition, and others. So let me just give a brief of addition. Okay, how do we add the numbers, right? So suppose there is a question like 68 plus 129 plus 72 plus 11. Okay, so what will be the answer? So generally what we used to do, the traditional method was we used to align the numbers as such, and then we used to add them, right? But in competitive exam you don't have time to do such, right? Aligning the equation like this also will take you around 5 seconds maybe if you are very fast, right? So what we will do is we will add the last digits first of the number. Okay, just say 1 2 9 8, right? So add them in a line. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, so you will get a 0. Okay, only last digit will put, and 2 carry. Okay, next we'll go to this number now. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, right? 8 here, 1 carry, right? I can see that the 3-digit number is only this one. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 280, right? So this I have just shown you, okay? But this you should do it very quickly, okay? There will be a day when you'll start adding 2 digits within 2-3 seconds, okay? But this is just a gist that I have given you, right? Now suppose similar way, if we have to subtract, okay, subtract a number, suppose 2489 minus 343 minus 121, right? So how do we add? So similar way, always the last digit we have to subtract. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, right? Next, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, right? After that, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So 0, and lastly 2, 2025 is the answer. So I hope you're getting the idea, right? Last digit with last digit, second last digit with the second last digit, and so on. Good afternoon to all, right? Okay. So this is just a gist that I've given, right? So let me remove this now, okay? So in exam, obviously you will not get such questions. This is just the very basic that I'm explaining it to you, right? Okay. Okay. So similarly for multiplication, generally in multiplication, so firstly you must know the tables, right? Tables, you must keep in mind that you remember the table till at least 25, okay? If you can memorize more, then it's good for you, okay? But till 25 is a must, okay? Okay, chalo, ठीक है, table का हो गया, right? After that, square, I've told you in the last class, you must memorize till 25, right? If it is more, it is better, okay? 25 तक होना चाहिए. Then cubes, also you must memorize till 25, okay? Squares, if you can, you should memorize till 50, okay? If you can, okay? If you can't, then I'll teach you a trick how to take out a square quickly, okay? So table 25, square 50, cubes 25 minimum, right? Okay, this is coming back to multiplication. Now suppose I'll explain you one thing. Okay, let's start with the question, and then whatever concepts we get, okay, and then if a trick is applicable, I will tell you that. Okay, chalo. Coming back to the question, let's solve this question. Let's see who can answer this question. Start answering your answers, right? Okay. Okay. So let's see how to solve these questions. So the general method that we use is this: 61 by percentage means 100, okay? Percentage means 100, of means multiply 550, right? Minus, this is question mark percentage, so let me take it as x, right? So I can write x by 100 as it is percentage, right? Of 250. So multiply by 250, and you're getting 3 to the power of 5. Right? Okay. Sir, can I use calculator? No. In SSC bank exams, you are not allowed to use the calculators, right? Okay. So out here, if I see, I can cancel this 0 with this 0. So 5 2s are 5 11s are, right? Similarly here, 0 with 0, 5 5s are 5 2s are. So now I can see here that I'm getting 61 into 11 by 2 minus 5x into 5 by 2 equal to 3 to the power 5. So this will be what? 243. Okay. So 3 to the power 5 means what? You're multiplying 3. Okay. Like this. You'll multiply this, you will get this. Okay. So now how to do it quickly? So see, I can see that this is 3 square into 3 square, right? That means 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81, and then into 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. Okay. This thing I did it here. Okay. I'm not writing the equations because we have to save time. Okay. Now see, the denominator is 2 2. So you can take this to that side, right? Cross multiply it. So we are left out with 61 into 11 minus 5x is equal to 2 into 243. I'm writing this step just for you, but in exam you must not do it like this. Okay. What you have to do is, I will tell you in a while. Okay. Now 61 into 11 is 671, right? Minus 5x is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. Right? You take 671 there, so I'm writing it here. So you'll get minus 5x is equal to 486 minus 671. Okay, so do you think in exam if you do such a lengthy process you can clear the exam? No, right? So okay, 671 is greater, so minus sign will come. 6 minus 1, so 671 minus 486, right? Generally we do this. Okay, 6 minus, we need to take carry from here, right? We need to take carry from here also, right? So all these things we will not do, just you memorize one thing. What? So see, 671 and 486 we have to subtract, right? So 1 minus 6 I cannot do, so just imagine that this is 11. Okay, always take 1. 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, now see, this 11 has come from here, so this will be 6 now. So you have to take one more carry from this. So this is 5, this is 16, so this is 8 and 1, 185. Okay, so this thing should be done quickly. Okay, so 185. Now minus minus cancel, 5 ones are 5, 37 are option number C. Okay, 330. Acha. Okay, let's see. Okay, but we will not do this in the exam. What we will do is, I'll show you. See here, what can we do in the exam? What we will do, how to solve this quickly, right? Okay, let me remove it quickly, right? Can I get the answers? Okay, let's see now what to do. See now out here, I can see that percentage is common, right? So you take percentage common. Okay, percentage means 1 by 100. Take 1 by 100 outside. You're left out with 61 into 550, right? Or you can do like this also. Let us not do like this. We will do like this: 61 by 100 into 550, right? Minus x by 100 into 250 is equal to, I will not write 35 directly, you calculate it. Okay, 35 can be written as 3 square into 3 square into 3. 3 square is 9 into 9 into 3. That means 81 into 3 is 243. Done. Now cancel the unnecessary term. 5, 2, 5 11s are 5 2s. Okay. Now how to multiply a number with 11? I have taught you this trick before also, but let me show you one more time. Suppose you have to multiply 61 into 11. So what you will do is, whenever you multiply 2 digit, you will get a 3 digit number, right? Last digit is 1, put it here. Next digit, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then this 6 will come here. Okay, 671 is the answer. Okay, similarly you can do for this. Suppose 25 into 11 you want to do. Same way, 3 digit, last digit 5, 5 here. Next 2 plus 5, 7, and then 2 out here. Done. So this is the trick to multiply any number with 11. Okay, then you'll be like, you might ask me that, sir, what if the number is a 3 digit number? Okay, see here. Suppose you have 2 5 4 1 into 11. Okay, I've taken 4 digit number. So what you do is, first you write 1 at the last, right? Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, and then lastly 2 is there. 2 7 9 5 1 is the answer. Okay, so this is the rule to multiply with 11. Okay, let us do it quickly now. So directly next step I will do what? 61 into 11, that means 6, 6 plus 1 7, and then 1, right? Divide by 2 minus 5x by 2 equal to 243. Now this both 2 will go out here, so this will become multiply, right? Multiply by 2, right? Multiply by 2, if you'll do, you'll get 486, right? Now 675, 671 will go this side, so this is what will happen. Now quickly subtract it, right? You can write down like this in your exam. So 6 minus 7 is 5. Out here you'll get 8, 185 with a minus sign because 671 is greater. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 37. Okay, so this was a lengthy question. Okay, it was not that short question, so it has taken a bit of time. Okay, let's do this question now. Okay, 5 into question mark is equal to 7 into 35 divided by 3. Easy question. Okay, so this means what? This means that it is 5 into question mark means I can take x as the unknown value equal to 735 divided by 3. So as both numbers are in the numerator, I can cancel them, right? Because this 5 will be cross multiplied out here. Okay, so in exam we don't have time to do that, so directly cancel. 5 ones are, right? Out here cancel. 5 ones are 5, you'll get 23. 4s are 20, 35. 7s are, right? Now you cancel with 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are, so x is equal to 49. Answer option number D. Clear? Exactly correct. Okay, now you might get a question like this. Okay, now the question has changed. Suppose they have given question mark square. right? So tell me what will be the answer now. What will be the value of x if they have given question marks square? Correct. 49 is the right answer. Very good. Okay. But now the question has changed. If they have given you this question mark square, so what will be the answer of x? Tell me the answer. And suppose the options are this. Option number A, 7. Option number B, plus 7. Option number C, minus 7. Right? Option number D, none. Okay, let me change this option. Suppose this is 49. Okay, tell me the answer. 7? 7 square. Okay. So out here, so what will be the option? So you will have option number B, but this is a wrong option because option will be option number D, that is none. Okay. So keep in mind one thing. Okay, now this has become square. So this is also square. So whenever you take square that side, right, you get a root. And generally this root creates two roots. Okay, plus and minus. Okay. This we will learn in quadratic equation. Okay, but just for a gist, I'm giving you a hint. Okay. So x will be what? So plus minus root 49 is 7, right? So therefore, you can say that x can be plus 7 and minus 7, right? So this is the thing. But okay, in this question, as it is just simplification, right? Suppose there is one more option like this. Okay, so your answer will be number B. Okay, B, this, right? But generally in quadratic equation, there are two roots. Okay, two roots. These are the clear. Chalo, next question. Let's solve this particular question now quickly. So this is 4 by 7, right? You're multiplying it with 9 by 14, right? And then you're dividing it with 16 by 21 into this is x is equal to 1, right? So now generally what you should do is you always convert divide into multiplication. Okay, whenever you convert into multiplication, this particular term, it gets the reciprocal. Okay, it gets the inverse, that is 21 by 16. Okay, and this is 9 by 14 into 4 by 7. Now you can cancel the unnecessary term. See, 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. Okay, next 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. So 3 9s are is 27. 4 14s are 56. Into x is equal to 1, right? So therefore x will be what? You do cross multiplication, this is 56 by 27, right? Now if you'll take the if you'll divide this particular number by 27, okay, that's why I told you should remember the table as much as you can. So 27 2s is 54, right? You subtract it, you'll get remainder 2. So the answer for this option will be, generally the quotient which you get, you write it at the front, remainder at the top, and the divisor at the bottom. So 2 by 27 is the right answer, option number D. Okay. Okay, let's do the next question now. Yes, 2 by 27, absolutely correct. Solve this question, easy question, right? So this is 19 by 100 of 250 plus x is equal to 2 to the power 7. Now don't write 2 to the power 7, directly solve it. Okay, so this thing you can write it as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2, right? Generally when it is multiplied, you add up the powers, so that it becomes 7. We will write like this. Now what we will do? 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 8 is 64, into 2 will be 128. Clear? So this thing should be done inside your head. Okay, we will not write this, it should be done inside. Okay, and this will come by regular practice. Okay, now 0 0 cancelled out, 5 2s are 5 5s are, right? So now what to do? You can multiply them, right? 19 5s are 135, sorry, 19 5s is 95 by 2 plus x is equal to 128. I should take this there, so x will be 128 minus 95 by 2. So now you can see that in option I'm getting a decimal figure. Okay, so what you have to do, you must divide them and then you subtract. It will be easy. Okay, you will take LCM and then you will do, it will take a lot of time. Better you can divide it. Okay, so how to divide? So 2 ones are 2 4s are 8, 15 you will get 7s are 14.5, 47.5. Now you subtract it. 128 by 47.5. Subtract this is 0.0. You will take carry out here. So 5 0 and this is how much? 80.5. Option number C is the right answer. Right? I hope it's clear. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Okay, so there soon is going to be an SSC CHSL exam. Okay, All India mock test. Okay. So you can enroll yourself in this particular exam. It is on the 23rd May. It's free of cost. Okay, and if you do well, the top 10 students will be getting free SSC ebooks and previous year questions. Okay, PDF file. So get prepared. Registration coming soon. As it will come, I'll let you know. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, let's do this question now. Chalo, quickly answer this question. Let's solve this question now. Right? Chalo. So, see how to solve this question. So, the question is you have to find this 3 to the power of x. So, what will be x? This is the question. Right? No, you cannot skip this. Okay, you should do it. Yeah, in exam you can skip this. Okay, because it's a lengthy question, but you should do it now, right? See, it's not that tough question. Okay, it's easy question. So what you can do is, so this inside is what? How many 6 are there? There are 5 6, right? So this you can write 6 to the power 5 whole thing to the power of 5, right? This is exponents and power chapter into this is 9 to the power of 3 whole thing to the power of 5, right? Then this is divided by 18 to the power of 3 whole thing to the power of 3 equal to 2 to the power of 16 into 3 to the power of x. This x is what we are interested in finding, right? So firstly open the brackets. So 6 5 5s are 25 into 9 3 5s are 15, right? So it is divided, so I'll write it at the bottom. Okay, 18 to the power of 3 3s are 9, right? I'll take this 2 to the power 16 also at the bottom, cross multiply, this will come at the bottom and you're left out with only 3 to the power of x. Okay, now see this particular part. If you see this part, 9 to the power of 15, can I write this 9 as 3 into 3 to the power of 15, right? It's the same thing, right? And if I open the brackets, this power will be distributed like this, right? 15 will come like this, right? Now we will club this so that we get 18, because at the bottom I can see 18 is there, right? Okay. So next question, what we can do is this 6 to the power 25, we can write it like this, right? See, 6 to the power of 15 into 6 to the power of 10. ये भी 6 to the power of 25 ही होता है, right? ठीक है sir? Now what we can do is we can club them, right? I'm doing it here. So this you can write as 6, as the powers are same. See, powers are 15. I can write this 6 into 3 to the power of 15. Okay? And 6 into 3 is what? It is 18. So in short, I can write that this particular thing is 18 to the power of 15, right? This 2. You're left out with 6 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of 15 divided by 18 to the power of 9 into 2 to the power of 16 equal to 3 to the power of x. So let's cancel this 9 and 15. From 15 you have taken out 9, you're left out with 18 to the power of 6, right? Now again here also we can do the same thing, right? I'll remove this. So this is all done, right? It is a lengthy question, okay, but I'm just explaining you how it should be done, right? Next, in this also I can club them. So 18 to the power 6 is already there. At the denominator we have 2 to the power of 16 into, now this also 6 I can write it as 2 into 3 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of 15, right? Now if you open the bracket, this power 10 will come to both the numbers, 2 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of 10, right? I can club them. So this will become what? 3 to the power of 25 is equal to 3 to the power of x. right? Now what you should do is you should take out 3 from all the numbers. Okay, this is 2, I cannot take out any 3 from this number. This is also 2, but from here I can take out 1 3, right? So this thing I can write it as 3 into 6 to the power of 6, right? So when you open the bracket, this will become what? 3 to the power of 6 into 6 to the power of 6, right? Now you club these two together, right? So 25 plus 6. Acha, out here I can do one more thing, sorry. This 18 to the power of 6, I can write it as 2 into 9. Yes, to the power of 6, it will be easier, right? So I'm doing it like this, that 2 to the power of 16, 6 into 9 to the power of 6. And 9 is what? 3 square, right? That means 9 to the power 6 can be written as 3 square of 6, and 6 2s are 18, right? So this is 3 to the power of 18, right? Now see, we are not bothered with other number, we are bothered with only 3, right? So I can see this is 3 3, so you add the powers. So 25 plus 18 is how much? 3 1 43. So your x will be what? So this means here we have got what? We have got 2 to the power of 10 plus 16 into 3 to the power of 43 divided by 2 to the power of 16 into 3 to the power of x. 16 cancel, 3 3 is same, sorry, this is equal to, right? So we can see that the base is same, so we can equal the powers. So this is 43 answer, okay? Yes, very much time consuming, but I've gone slowly so that you can understand how it is being solved. ठीक है? चलो 37 आ रहा है क्या? 43 होगा ना आंसर, ठीक है? Okay, check once. Let's do this question. Easy question now. चलो solve this. Let's solve this question, right? So as this question, I can see that this is 50%. So generally you must remember percentage to fraction rule, okay? Right? So generally 50% in fraction is 1 by 2, okay? So how do you get this? So generally what you do is you can write 50% as 50 by 100, okay? 0 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5 2s are, that is how you're getting 1 by 2, okay? So these are the fractions which you must remember, okay? So this I will explain it in a better way in the next upcoming chapter, that is profit and loss, okay? Where there are percentage and other things which will come up, so that class I will explain to you. Okay, let's do this. So 50% means what? 1 by 2, okay? Of means you have to multiply it, right? In bracket, see, when you solve mixed fraction, right, best thing to do is just segregate the mixed fraction, okay? This 13 1 by 10 can be written as 13 plus 1 by 10 plus 11 plus 1 by 10, right? Equal to question mark, okay? So you can add them, right? So 1 by 2 into 13 plus 11 is 24, plus this is, see, 10 10, upside is 1 plus 1, right? So this also you should do it at one step, 2 by 10, and this if you cancel, you're getting 1 by 5, right? So I am directly writing it. This is 1 by 5 equal to question mark, right? Now, okay, now let's solve. What do? You open the bracket, okay? Half into 120, half into 24 is what? This will become 12. So out here I'm getting 12, plus this is 1 by 2 5s are 10, okay? We all know that 1 by 10 is 0.1, so your answer will be 12.1. Finish. Option number C, okay? So always try to keep it in fraction and solve, okay? Do not, if you'll take LCM, you'll solve, okay? You'll get, and then again you have to divide. Instead of that, directly open the bracket, and we know that 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. So just add them, 12.1 is the answer. Very good, correct. Let's do this question now, quickly. Okay, kindly do this question now. Okay, let's do. So 729 means what? Root 729 is 27, okay? 27 square is 729, okay? Suppose you don't know the square of any number, so let me teach you a method of finding a square of any number, okay? So suppose this is Last question I'm getting 37. Okay. Okay, we'll come back to that question. Okay, let us do these questions first. I'll come back to that question. Okay, we will solve again. Okay, suppose you have to square this 73 square. Okay, how do we do it? So first thing what you have to do is you have to write this particular square out here. 3 square is how much? 9, right? Next, what you'll have to do is you have to do this 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, 2 into 7 into 3. 2 sevens are 14, 14 threes is 52, right? 42, sorry. So 2 will remain here and 4 is carry. Next, what you have to do is you have to do 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 4 will be 53. So 5329 is your answer. I hope it's clear. So firstly, what did we do? Let me give a recap. The recap is such that last digit you have to square and you have to write it. Okay, if it's carry, then you have to take carry also. Next, these two digits you'll multiply and then you'll multiply by 2. So whatever you get, only the last digit will come and the other digit will go as a carry, right? Next, you'll square this particular number, right? You'll get 49, but there is a carry also, so you add the carry and this is how you get 53. 5329. Okay, so this is how we find the square of any numbers. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, this is a small trick which you can use to find the square of any numbers. Okay, let's do this question quickly. So this is 27. Now divide is there directly, you can do like this: 45 into 720 plus x is equal to 30 square. Now 30 square means 30 into 30. So see, 2 zeros are there, so put 2 zeros and 3 threes are 900, right? Let's cancel this now. Always try to go for bigger numbers. So 9 threes are 9 fives are 5 ones are 5, 22, 4, 4, 144, right? Therefore x will be what? 900. This whole thing will go there. This will become negative. 3 fours are 12, 13, 4, 5, 32, right? So if you'll subtract it, what will you get? 8, 6, 468, option number B, right? Correct, very good. Let's do this quickly. Quickly answer this question fast, okay? Let's solve. So see, this is a mixed fraction and there is a multiplication. So out here, there is a rule which you can use, but okay, it's not necessary. Okay, I will not tell you unnecessary tricks because we are humans, so we tend to forget. So we will stick to the rules which are very accurate and which are very useful to us, and we will master them as such that we become fast at that tricks itself, right? So they say, right, the more you use the knife, the more sharper it gets. So similarly, same concept we will practice so many times that that concept will be as fast as the trick, right? Because we cannot remember each and every trick. So how to do this? See, so generally to convert mixed fraction into a fraction, what we do is we first multiply these two numbers and then we add the numbers and then write, right? So 8 nines are 72, 72 plus 3 is 75, divided by 8 into 7 fives are 35 and 35 plus 3 is 38, 38 by 5 into x is equal to 15 square. Do not square and write, directly write 15 into 15 because as we can see that there will be cancellations out here, so do not multiply them. So 5 15s are 75, okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 19s are 38, right? Let's cross multiply now. So we are left out with 15 into 19 by 4x into x is equal to 15 into 15. Now I can see 15 both sides, cancel them also, right? Now cross multiply, x will be what? So 4 into 15 by 19, 4 15s are 60 by 19, right? Now you have to divide this number. So 3 nines is 57, right? So 3 19, 3 by 19 is the answer, option number D. Very good. Let's go to this question now. Quickly solve this question. Solve this question, okay? So tomorrow also we'll be doing simplification topic, okay, and we'll put some high level questions, okay, which are very exam related questions of SSC CHSL. Okay, today was just a basic class, okay. Even though it's a basic, but I kept the question level to the moderate level, right? Okay, 600%. 600% is 600 by 100, okay. So in short, you can say that, sir, this is nothing but this is 6, okay, into. So this whole thing is inside the root. This whole thing is inside the root, right? So I can write root over 180 into 81 by 5. 5, 36 is a 180, right? Now 36 root is what? 36 root is 6 and 81 root is 9, right? So in short, I can remove all of this. I can write it as 6 into 6 into 9, right? Into 12. Now divided by 3 to the power of minus 1. So if I convert into multiplication, this becomes 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1. If you take this at top, so this also will become into 3 to the power of 1, right? And this is my x square, right? So what we'll do, we'll take the square that side now, right? If you take the square that side, you'll get a root. Now you club the numbers, right? Club the numbers and see, root 9 will be 3, right? Next, 6, 6 are 36, so 1, 6 can be cancelled out, so you're left out with 6, right? Next, what else is left out? 12 and 3, right? So this can be written as 4 3s are, and 1 3 gets cancelled, 1 4 gets cancelled, so 2 into 3, okay? So 6 6 36 36 into 3 is 108. Option number A is the answer. Clear? Okay. If you did not understand, then let me explain it again to you, right? So we are getting a root out here, right? Okay, root aa raha hai. So from here 1 6 will be eliminated, right? 1 6 will be eliminated, will go outside. This 9 also is 3, so into 3. Remaining is 12 into 3 inside, right? 12 I can write it as 4 into 3 into 3, right? Root 4 is how much? Root 4 is 2. Here 3 and 6 are already there, and 2 3s are there, so I can write only 1 3, and this is how you get 108 as the answer, right? Chalo, very good. Let's do next question now. Chalo, solve this question. Okay. Okay, let's do this question now. Sir, DME exam ketia hobo? Most probably তোমাৰ আৰু 2 মাহ ভিতৰত হৈ যাব লাগে, ঠিক আছে? Within 2 months হৈ যাব লাগে. So যেতিয়া notification আহিব তোমালোকক জনোৱা হ'ব, ঠিক আছে? So channel টো চাই থাকিবা, তাতে তোমাৰ generally shorts upload হৈ থাকে. So সেইবোৰতে এইবোৰ discussions হয়. Expected date, right? Syllabus কি ধৰণৰ হয় and everything, okay? So you'll get the notification there, okay? Okay, let's solve this question now. So 16 2 by 3% of this, right? So 16 2 by 3% in fraction is what? Can you tell me? Acha, if you're not sure, then what we can do is we can convert it, right? 16 3s is how much? 48, right? 48 plus 2 is 50 by 3, right? And as it is percent, so I can add 1 by 100. So 0 0 2. That means what? I can say that 16 2 by 3 is 1 by 6, right? 16 2 by 3 percentage fraction value is 1 by 6, okay? So this also percentage values you must memorize. So we will come to that when we'll start profit and loss questions, right? Okay. Off means you have to multiply. So first we'll solve this bracket, right? So I can see this is into, so we have to multiply it first, right? So so 6 8s are 48, 4 carries, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 is 16, 16.8 plus 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 5 45, 48.6, right? Correct hai? Okay, okay. 9 4 36, right? Now let's add them. 8 plus 6 is 14, so 1 carry, decimal is there. 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carry, and 6 65.4 you're getting, right? So out here I can write that this is 65.4 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 10 into x, right? This 10 can be taken there. So if I take this 10 there, right? If I take this 10 there, this will become into 10 equal to x. Now 10 into this decimal, if I multiply them, this decimal will move behind out here, right? That means we have removed the decimal. Now you just have to divide this particular number, right? So 1 is 6, 0, 7 is the answer. 107 is the answer. Clear hai? Yes, 1 by 6. Very good. 126. 126. अच्छा sorry 107 नहीं होगा 109 आ रहा है ना. None of these होगा option. You're getting 126. Okay, let's check one more time. Let's do it quickly. Okay. ठीक है, this is 1 by 6 of out here. 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 carry. 7, 8 is 15, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 65.4. Right? This 10 will come here. This will get multiplied. So the decimal will be removed equal to x. If you'll cancel them, 6 10s are 60, you'll get 54. 6 9s are 54. So actually the option will be none of these. Okay. 109. Yes, absolutely. So answer will be none of these. Okay, so DME exam mock test is coming up, so you can enroll, okay, to get special discount on the course, okay, and also top 10 students will be getting free ebooks, okay, for papers. So get prepared. You can appear for this particular mock test, which is coming up very soon. You'll get the registration date soon. Okay, okay. Let's do this now quickly. So root over 196. What's root over 196? It is 14. Okay, into root over 144 is what? It is 12, right? 20%. So okay, we'll do it in a lengthy way. Okay, into 500 equal to x plus 1256. Acha. So I can say that 0 0 gets cancelled, right? So 5 into 20 will be 100 into 12 into 14. So 12 4s are 48. 12 1s are 12, 168, right? So I can say that if you multiply this, you'll get 16800 minus 1256. Subtract them, you'll get 4, 4, 5, 15544 is the answer. Option number A. Okay? 14, yes, correct. 14, 12, correct. Okay, so see how much line I have used. Okay, so even you must do the sums like this, okay, of simplification. You have to use least steps and then you have to solve the questions. 1554. Very good, very good. Let's do this now quickly. 17 square plus 6. Okay, what is the value of 17 square? Yes, absolutely correct. 15544. Okay, not 1555. Okay. Yes, correct. $289, absolutely correct. So 17 square is 289, right? Plus 6 into 13 square is 169. Minus, see now here we have to multiply, right? So directly multiply it. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. 6 2s are 12. 1272, right? Now let's multiply this. 6 9s are 54. 5 carry 6 6 36. 5 is 41. 6 1 6 4 is 1014, right? Add them. 289 will add them, right? You'll get 3 here, carry 0 3. 1303 minus 1272. Subtract them, you'll get 1 3. 31 is the answer. Finish. Clear? Easy questions, right? Let's solve this quickly. Correct, correct, absolutely correct. Very good. Let's solve this question now. Now, before solving this question, let me give a small, not trick actually, a method of multiplying two digit numbers. Okay? Suppose you have to multiply this number. 74 into 29, right? So how to multiply it? So generally what we do is we use this method to solve it, okay? But it is not necessary to use this method. In this, what you have to do is, first step is to multiply these two numbers. 4 nines is 36, so you will write 6 and 3 carry. Done? Okay. Now second step, what you'll do is you'll multiply these two first and then these two first and then you'll add them, okay? So 7 nines is 63, right? 4 twos is 8. You add them. 8 plus 3 11, 6 plus 1 7, right? And then 3 is also carry, so you add that also, you'll get 74, right? So you will get a 4 here, and then out right now your 7 is the carry. Okay. Next, last step, what you'll do is you'll multiply these two numbers, 7 and 2. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 7 will be 21. 2146 is the answer. Okay. So this is how you multiply two-digit numbers. Okay. So there are other tricks also. Subtraction trick is also there, but I will not suggest that. It takes time. Okay. This is the best method, and master this method so that you can solve other questions also very quickly. Okay. So generally I use this method to solve a two-digit multiplication. Okay. Okay. Let's see this question now. Okay. So why did I taught you this? So that you can learn this question. Okay. So this is an easy multiplication. 12 into 15 is easy, but still if you want, you can use this trick as well out here. So let's do. 5 twos is 10, 1 carry. 1 twos are 2, 1 fives are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1 ones are 1. 180 plus 27 minus x is equal to 28% of 400. Directly write 28 into 4. Finish. Okay. Or you don't have to also write, directly multiply. 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. Right. Now see, x is negative here, so when you take this x, there will be positive. So you bring this there and take this there. Okay. So x is equal to what? You add them. 7 0 207 minus 112. Right. Subtract this. How much you're getting? 5. 95 is the answer, na? Okay. Very good. Very good. Clear hai? Chalo. Do this question now. Correct. Absolutely correct. So 25% of 680 plus 16% of 525 minus this. Okay. चलिए आंसर दीजिए. So if you want the fraction value of these questions, so I can tell you this is 1 by 4. Okay. This is 4 by 25, right? This is 11 by 50. Okay. These are the fraction values. So I'll keep a session where I'll give all the fractional values of all the percentage. Okay. And you can make a chart, you can paste it on your study table, and whenever you sit, ideally you can just have a look at that, right? And you can memorize it. Okay. So okay, let's do this now. 1 by 4 into 680, right? Plus 4 by 25 into 525 minus 11 by 50 into 450, right? So 0 0 cancel, 5 9s are 45, right? 5 5s are 5 105s are 5 21s are, right? 4 1s are 7 zeros are. So 170 plus 4 21s is 84 minus 99. Add them, what will you get? 4 5 254 minus 99. Okay. So what will be the option? 4 minus 9, so this will be 5. 5 14 14 minus 9 is 5. 155 is the correct answer. Option number B. Very good. Let's solve this question now. Kindly solve this question. Okay. Correct. Okay. Answers. So what is the answer? So see, let me explain it to you. Okay, this is a very easy question. Okay, no, I mean it's not easy. Okay, it's complicated if you'll follow the whole process. Okay, now at such questions, right, first thing you must do is see the options. Okay, in options I can see and also see the last digit. So see here, all last digits are totally different, right? So why do you have to solve all the equation? Just solve the last digit, right? See, 5 minus 7 I cannot do, so but 15 minus 7 I can do, right? 5 को 15 मान लो, 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Where can I see 1? Option number A. Finish. A is the right answer. Clear? D. अच्छा, ठीक है. So at such questions, right, you always look at the the last digits. Okay, at some questions you'll find that the last digits are also telling. Okay, right, here also can be 391, 391, 391, and all the options. Only the first 3 digits might be different. So in that case you have to solve. Okay, so I hope, right, you've got the idea. Let's go to next question now. Yeah, let's solve this. Okay, so now here you see the options are totally different. So here we don't have any option, but we have to solve this, right? Approx কৰিছিলো, A should be correct. Yes, ठीक है, ऐसे तुम्हें ठीक কৰিছা, ঠিক আছে, A will be the right answer. But see this simplification, no, simplification তুমি approx rule use কৰিব নোৱাৰা, ঠিক আছে. approx হ'লেতো তুমি ইয়াকো 333 33 33 use কৰিব পাৰিলা হয়, but simplification है, so approximation में हम नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. Or in this question you can use digital sum as well because all the options are different. So digital sum से भी answer आएगा, ठीक है. But if you see last digit different है ना, directly last digit check करो, खत्म. Okay, direct 2 सेकंड में answer आ गया. चलो, let's see this now. So these questions are quite confusing. So I can see here 4, this is there, right? Here 3 are there, here 2, and here 1 is there, right? So at such question, first solve the decimal portion, ठीक है. 4 plus 444 will be 448. 448 plus this will be what? 4444, right? So 12, 9, 8, 4892, and 4892 plus what? अच्छा, चल गड़बड़ हो गया, चलो ठीक है. So this, so I can see this is greater, so we'll arrange like this. Okay, next ये है 333.44. next ये है 33.4444. next ये, so 3.444, ठीक है. 4 8 12 4 4 16 17, right? 7 2 8 4. okay, I can see 2 options are there, B and C, so we have to go further. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, right? 3 is this, option number C is the correct answer. Okay, चलो बढ़िया. So at such complicated questions no, सोचने से अच्छा है कि लिख लो. ओके, तुम्हें लिख ही लो और सॉल्व करो, दैट विल बी बेटर, ठीक है. डोंट जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग कि क्या करूँ मैं नेक्स्ट, राइट? चलो, लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. ओके, चलिए करते हैं इसे. So see again mixed fractions, so we can split this like this. 1 plus 13/6 minus 2, ये माइनस अंदर भी जाएगा तो माइनस 7/18 होगा, राइट? प्लस 5 है तो प्लस 4/9 इक्वल टू x प्लस 7/3. और आई कैन स्किप वन स्टेप, आई कैन टेक 7/3 ऑल्सो देयर, so this will become minus 7/3 which is equal to x, right? First solve these. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. Okay, now see all these fractions. Okay, ये सारे fractions के denominators को देखो. So what will be the LCM of this? So you have to see the number which is present in all these numbers. So 18 is present, so you take 18. 6 3s 18 होता है, 3 13s 39 होता है, right? Minus, so minus 18 1s 18, so this will be 7, right? 9 2s 18, 2 4s 8 plus 8 minus 3 6s 18, 6 7s 42, right? And this will be equal to x. इसको solve कीजिए. 39 minus 7 is 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 minus 42 is minus 2. So I'm getting what? 4 plus minus will be minus 2 by 18. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So 4 minus 1 by 9. So this will be 35 by 9. So कैसे क्या? तो चलो I'll remove this. Okay, I hope it's clear. So we have got this 4 minus 1 by 9. Now see here you can use one method which is cross multiplication method. So first you multiply them. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36 minus 1 ones are 1. So this is 35 by 9. Okay, ये पार्ट दिमाग पे होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So 35 by 9, so 9 4s are 36 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, 3 जाना पड़ेगा, 3s are 27, 8 by 9, 3 8 by 9 is the answer, option number C. Clear है? बढ़िया, very good. Okay, do this one now. So this will be x square. Right. So let's solve this. So out here if you see 18.75 is greater and it has a negative sign, so negative ही आएगा. But what will I do? Negative negative I have to do add them. Okay, we have to add them. ठीक है, plus करना है. See 75 plus 25 is 100, right? 100 हो जाएगा. So that means decimal के बाद zeros चले गए. 1 is left. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 30. ठीक है, 30 कैसे आया? क्लियर है? ओके, ऐसे क्या देखो 75 11.25. 75 plus 25 is 100. 1 कैरी हो जाएगा. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. 3 ones are there, so 30. क्लियर है? 30.00 means 30. ओके, so this all things should be done यहाँ. ठीक है. ओके, इक्वल टू 9.09%. Okay, 9.09% fraction value is what? 19. Okay, चलो बताओ 9.09 का फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू क्या है? 1/11 होता है. ठीक है, 9.09% का फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू इज 1/11. ओके, इंटू 396, राइट, प्लस 295. नाउ कैंसिल दिस, 36 हो जाएगा. नाउ सी हाउ डिड आई कैंसिल सो क्विकली. Now whenever you multiply the numbers, you see at the middle. Okay, 3 plus 6 is 9, right? So obviously if you cancel with 11, this will be 36. Okay, now add them. 6 plus 5 11, 12 13, 331 plus 30 कितना होगा? 361. ये है x square, so x क्या हो जाएगा? रूट ओवर 361. ओके, if it was quadratic equation there will be plus minus, but ये simplification है, so plus minus नहीं लगाना, only positive values will take, which is equal to 19. Root 36 is 19. Very good. Correct. Very good. Let's do this now. Okay. So last question of the day. Kindly do this quickly. Okay, so 37.5 fraction value. ठीक है, suppose you cannot remember the fraction value of 37.5, तो टाइम वेस्ट मत करना, एग्जाम में कर लो. 375 लिख दो, डिवाइडेड बाय 100 होना चाहिए, बट मैंने डेसिमल हटा दिया, so there will be 1000 into 1160. Okay, I'm just telling you in case you forget the fraction value of 37.5. Okay, कैंसिल किया, अब कैंसिल कर लो. 250 जा, 258 जा, 225 जा, 224, 9 जा, 55 जा, 575 जा, 515 जा. So here after doing all this we are getting 15 into 29, right, divided by this whole thing. Okay, 441 का रूट होता है 21. ठीक है, 21 माइनस 256 का रूट होता है 16. Okay, so 21 minus 16 is what? It is 5. ठीक है, 5 3 जा 15, right. 3 into 29 कितना हो जाएगा? 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 6 87. ये 23 यहाँ आएगा तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा. बस हो गया आंसर. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन था. क्वेश्चन आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्लियर है? So see how am I doing? I'm not cancelling the numbers and I'm cancelling the numbers, but I'm not multiplying them. Okay, because I know this will get cancelled by something or the other, right? So anyways, it's already time. So we did around 27 questions, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm mistaken, right? So, and I see not much candidates, not much aspirants joining, but few who are joining will be very beneficial for you all. So I'll end the class here for the day. I'll have few questions which you can take. Okay. So these are the few questions. You can take the pictures and you can solve. Okay. And then comment below the answers, right? Okay, this is one question. Okay, this is one more batch which is going on, DME 2.0. Those who are interested in giving the exam for APDCL DME, and even I am taking online classes for this course, so you can enroll to this course. Okay, okay, take this also, screenshot, right? This. Okay, that's it for today. So thank you all. I hope you've enjoyed this session. Okay, if you have enjoyed, kindly like the video. Okay. So I'll see you all tomorrow at the same time, and we will do some mixed questions of simplification. Okay, I'll bring some more advanced question. Okay, where if I counter any tricks, I will explain it to you. Okay, so thank you. Stay motivated. Prepare well for your upcoming exams. Okay, and any doubt, I'm always there for you. Okay, and in between, I'll give few shorts where I'll give tricks and other things. So you must keep an eye on them. Right. So thank you all. Thank you for joining.